Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, Delissime. For today's video, we are diving into another nail tutorial. But this nail tutorial is actually sponsored by Born Pretty. Now, we called and they answered. We are officially sponsored by Born Pretty. Now, if you guys have been on the channel, you already know Born Pretty is one of my top favorite brands, and we have finally made it onto the PR list, and I am extremely ecstatic. So if it is your first time here on the channel, my name is Delissime and I am a licensed nail technician. Yes, I literally just did these last night and I love them so much. Now, if you are into nail tutorials, nail art, nail inspo, nail designs, this is the perfect channel for you. And I am so excited to dive into these beautiful polishes. So for today's video, we are diving into some jelly polishes from Born Pretty. And if you guys can see, I have the purple and the blue on my nails right now. So if this is something you are interested in, please continue watching the video, like, share the video, subscribe to the channel. If you don't feel like subscribing, don't worry, I will earn that subscription by the end of this video. So without further ado, let's dive. We are going to kick it off with our Kiera Sky base coat. If you guys have been on the channel, you already know that Kiera Sky is my go-to for my base as well as my top coat. So to save time, I thought I would just swatch up one of the testers with the base coat for my new nail technicians or maybe new folks that are joining us here on the channel. So once I've got them all swatched up, I have my alcohol prep pads and we're just going to quickly wipe off the inhibition layer. If you are unfamiliar of what that inhibition layer is, sometimes nail polishes will have like a sticky residue that will need to be wiped up with a alcohol wipe. We are going to dive into the Neon Garden Jelly polishes. I am extremely excited to dive into every single one of these colors because I feel like I see all these different nail art designs and I'm like, how did they accomplish that nail look? And it is with jelly polishes. So extremely excited. I'm thinking that I'm going to most likely do 2 coats of each one of these polishes, but let's take a moment and let's talk about the green. You guys already know green is one of my favorite colors, and I'm just making sure that everything is looking nice and even, and we're gonna go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. Once we are done with our cure, we're gonna go ahead and hit it with our second coat, and you can already tell that it is turning out absolutely stunning. You know what this reminds me of? If you guys have watched Kim Possible, it is giving Shigo. Like the green is stunning and it looks beautiful, and I am absolutely in love with it. So this is our number one, and you can see how it's transparent. For our next color, we are diving into number two. And as I'm looking at the lid, it's giving yellow, but when I'm looking at the polish, it's giving orange. So I am curious as to what this will look like once I get it onto the swatch. So I'm excited because, it's giving kind of like a yellow orange. So you guys will have to let me know down in the comments what color you think this is. I am giving it is giving Sailor Venus to me, honestly. It's like Sailor Venus wakes up and she's like, I'm gonna go get my nails done, and I want this jelly polish number two. As I go in to put in that second coat, I am giving more remnants of yellow. I'm still kind of in between. So please, like, let me know what your thoughts are. It's giving yellow on the lid, so we're gonna go with Sailor Venus and yellow. But if she wanted to mix it with a little bit of orange, I could absolutely see that too. But I love the way that they turned out. It looks so good. For our next color, number 3, this is so pretty. I feel like Barbie 115% of the way because as soon as I get this swatched up, you can already see that it is plastic pink, as plastic as my girl Barbie. I feel like if Barbie had a plastic pink, hot pink coat, this would be the perfect color for her because it is so stunning. You guys, like the pink is pinking. It's looking so damn good. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure this for about 60 seconds. As we are waiting for this cure, I thought I'd take a moment just to highlight what I did on my nails. So we've got our blue polish. This is a little sneak peek before we get it on the swatch. And then on my other hand, I wanted to do like a little purple moment. We have 3D, we have charms, really went in. I will also leave my Instagram here on the screen as well as down in the description. If you guys are curious on like what I do on my day to day, Instagram is normally where I post for just like fun, funny content. So if you guys are on Instagram, follow me at Delissime with 2 E's. That way, if you guys are just curious on what I do, all the funny things that I like to post, Instagram is going to be the best way to check out all just like content that you don't normally see here on YouTube. So for our pink Barbie color, we have number 3. All right, y'all, we are diving into number 4, and number 4 is giving the deepest red. It's almost giving like red rose, it's giving blood red, it's giving spooky season. I am truly excited for spooky season. Now, something that you guys might not know about me, I am definitely one for thrillers. When I was younger, I was so scared of like scary movies, but as I got older, I don't know what changed, but I love me a good thriller, a good like creepy, scary documentary. So one of my favorite times of the year is spooky season because I get to sit there and binge all of the scary movies that come out. So I am loving this deep, deep red. If it were to give a specific character, I know it's like not spooky at all, but it's giving Mulan. I feel like Mulan would rock this red perfectly. Okay, so for number 5, you guys have already gotten a little sneak peek because my left hand actually has the purple polish, but we are still gonna go ahead and swatch it up. I did put a silver cat eye underneath the jelly polish. Since the jelly polish is transparent, I'm like, I'm gonna put a little cat eye underneath and see if it is giving the shine through the jelly polish. And you guys can already see from my nails themselves, you can still see the cat eye shine through. So this purple is definitely giving grape. If you guys have ever watched The Fairly Odd Parents, you guys let me know down in the comments if you guys already know which character I'm gonna actually say. But Trixie Tang Trixie Tang, I feel like would love this purple color because she loved everything purple, and it is looking so beautiful with the second coat. Now, with my own set itself, I only used the one because I wanted to make sure that the cat eye would shine through. But y'all let me know if you think Trixie Tang from Fairly Odd Parents would wear. It's so cute. So pretty. Number five, even though we got two top coats, we can still see the transparency. It is absolutely stunning. Born pretty. You guys already know I love you. For our last color, we are trying this beautiful blue, number six. This color would be the perfect color to try to recreate that pool effect or almost like a water kind of like beachy effect. I will post a picture so you guys know what I'm talking about. But if you guys have ever watched Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends, one of the main characters is Blue. And Blue is so funny throughout the show. For my 90s babies, I'm sure you grew up with this show on Cartoon Network, but this Blue is absolutely perfect for Blue because that is that's his actual name in the show. And if you guys have not seen it, it is probably one of my favorite childhood TV shows. So you guys have to check it out. And if you do, or if you've seen it already, let me know down in the comments because hands down, so funny. Absolutely have to try it out. Now that we have finished swatching all of these beautiful colors, we are going to grab our Kiara Sky non-wipe top coat to go ahead and polish these up. You already know that Kiara Sky is my go-to for the top coat as well as for my base. So we are just going to go through each one of these colors and see how wonderful they turned out. You guys already want to know which one my favorite color is. And honestly, I'm going to have to say red for this one. I feel like I always choose the greens, but that red, this pink is out of this world. I don't even know which color I want to do for my next set. Now that you guys know which one of my favorite is, I want to hear from you. Which one do you think I should put on my nails? Which one did you like the best? I really am feeling the purple, the blue, hence why that was one of the first colors I selected for my own nails. So I'm gonna have to say maybe red or that pink, or maybe I'll do like a red and pink. I don't know. You guys let me know down in the comments which one you guys want to see for my next set because I am so excited to get all of these shorts up and posted. But here they are in all of its glory. You know, when I have them all laid out next to each other, they actually give taste the rainbow. It's giving Skittles. It's giving nom 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 nom. Which one do I want to eat? Which is so funny because, yes, if you guys did not already know, I am a certified big bag. I'm trying to get better with my sweet intake due to like my lupus and my arthritis flare ups. But I want to eat a handful of Skittles as I am looking at all of these colors. One of my favorite things to do is get my little key ring and put all of the new colors on so that when my clients come in, I get to show them all of the new polishes that they get to select. And that's honestly it brings me joy when I get to show all the different colors, and Born Pretty is definitely one of the brands that I go to first because I already know that whichever color I show them, Born Pretty will turn out absolutely stunning. I can see like pieces of lint and hair falling from the sky, but all lint and hair aside, these are absolutely stunning. So as we wrap up our video, I will have another Born Pretty video coming up soon, and the next one will be like a pink palette. So make sure you guys keep an eye out for that video. Born Pretty, definitely number one in my book. Thank you so much, you guys, for making it to the end of this video. If you do, let's leave a blue heart for my favorite childhood TV show. And we will have to wrap it up. I'm so excited to hear and see your thoughts because I see every comment that comes through. Don't think that I don't. Oh my goodness. What do you guys think of all of these beautiful colors? I've always wanted to try jelly polishes, and I should have known that I should have purchased the ones from Born Pretty because they are always delivering on their consistency as well as their formula. Now, I had such an amazing time. If you guys are looking for more content, don't forget that I have all of my shorts, and that's where I really post all of my nail art, my clients' nail designs and nail art. So don't forget to check out all of the shorts. I am so happy and I'm so grateful. And I just want to take a moment to thank all of you guys for your continued support. If I did not have you guys by my side, giving me your time, your energy, I truly wouldn't be here today. So thank you so much. I am again truly blessed. And don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.
I wanted you subscribe. Oh, I wanted you. You got me in my feelings.